In 1902, Louis Liggett astutely convinced independent drugstores to invest in a cooperative, establishing the groundwork for the Rexall brand. This groundbreaking strategy transformed the retail pharmacy landscape. By 1916, the cooperative had acquired over 100 drugstores, significantly broadening its market presence. This expansion solidified Rexall's standing in the industry and enhanced its brand recognition. The introduction of a franchise arrangement permitted independently owned stores to adopt the Rexall name. This approach facilitated widespread brand adoption and helped Rexall become a household name. A notable promotional strategy was the 1-cent sales, enabling customers to purchase 2 items for the price of 1, which played a crucial role in Rexall's thriving business model. In 1936, Rexall products garnered attention through a nationwide train tour, generating local engagement and enhancing the brand's visibility across the United States. Justin Dart revitalized Rexall by rebranding the company and amplifying advertising through radio shows and magazine advertisements, leading to a significant boost in its popularity. However, the decline of Rexall's franchises in the 1960s stemmed largely from competition with discount drugstore chains like Thrifty Drug and Eckerd, which reshaped the market landscape. In 1977, Rexall was sold to private investors who decided to eliminate company-owned stores while allowing existing franchises to retain the Rexall name, marking a pivotal shift in the brand's strategy. Today, iconic Rexall signs still dot the landscape across the U.S., and a few stores continue to operate under the Rexall name, despite the overall decline of the brand.